Welcome to DJ Academy of Design. Since 2004, DJ Academy of Design has been at the forefront of design education, shaping the next generation of designers who are ready to meet the challenges of today's dynamic world. DJAD is a world in itself where innovation meets creativity, where ideas are shaped into reality, offering a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs in industrial design, communication design, user experience design, animation and filmmaking, and interior design. DJAD prepares students for a multitude of design careers. Located in Coimbatore, a hub of more than 60,000 industries, DJAD offers unparalleled industry exposure through live projects, internships, and placements, bridging the gap between academic learning and real-world application. Earlier this year, DJAD successfully hosted International Design Week 2025, a vibrant celebration of design held in February. The event brought together globally renowned designers and thinkers for immersive workshops and inspiring design talks, creating a unique international learning experience for our students. Our eco-friendly 24-acre campus is a masterpiece of architecture, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. From a resource-rich library to high-tech workshops and multimedia labs, they are incubators for the next generation of designers, all designed to foster creativity and innovation. Our faculty comprises industry veterans and pioneering designers who are here to guide you through your journey, providing personalized mentorship and insights drawn from years of experience. Our students have been globally recognized, winning prestigious awards and accolades at international design competitions, making DJAD a name that resonates beyond borders. Design is more than a career, it's a way of impacting the world. At DJAD, we empower our students to create meaningful designs that resonate with people, blending functionality with emotional and experiential satisfaction. Embark on your journey at DJAD, where your passion for design will be nurtured, challenged, and celebrated. It's not just a college, it's a community where you will find your place, your purpose, and your path to an extraordinary design career. DJ Academy of Design. Your design journey begins here.